I find need to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks too. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too. Whoa, whoa. It's like, why should I even try when there's always some other guy who's way ahead of you, but makes it look easy? Why would they need me? Oh, I hear it now. I'm just being needy. I try not to envy you, to get angry. You do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. That's really, really cool for you. Yeah, everything you do is cool. It's kind of unbelievable. It's also unachievable. Yeah, almost inconceivable. I'll never do it like it.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished out in this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the wig that I am rocking was sent to me by Luvme Hair. Shout out to you, Luvme, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I have is their, alright, so the unit that I am rocking is their Honey Blonde Highlight Kinky Curly Glueless 5x5 Closure HD Lace Wig Breathable Cap. It is available in 12 to 24 inches, and you can get this unit in pre-cut lace or not. You guys saw that I did not have the pre-cut lace. I just had the regular lace. I am not 100% sure about the length. I would say it's between 12 to 14 inches. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below in the comments, but that's the length that I personally think it is. Okay, so on down, then they give you the information, the product details. So the color is first of all, it's 100% human hair. The color is Honey Blonde Highlight, which is one of my favorite curly colors, especially for summer. I just feel like it's a really beautiful summer color in my opinion. This is 180%. It is a middle part, but it can be a side or C part. So y'all, I'm gonna keep it a whole buck. I just turned the cap over a little bit to make it a side part. But as you guys could see, it did come as a middle part, and you can just literally part it instead of shifting the wig and being lazy like me. Okay, girl. Just saying, you can do what you want to do. It's your wig. It's a 5x5 closure lace. It's HD lace. It's the standard medium cap size. It can be worn glueless. The straps are adjustable. It said, can it be dyed? Yes, but bleaching is not. And honey, they got that in capital letters. Not recommended. So, it can be dyed, but honey, they said don't bleach your girl, so I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, those are all the details and specs with this unit. Now, as far as this wig being big head friendly, in my opinion, as far as this unit being big head friendly, in my opinion, this wig is extremely big head friendly. Like, I think you can make it work across the board, even if you do have a small head, but it is definitely geared more to medium to large head friendly than small head friendly, in my opinion. But I only have the head on my show, so girl, do with that what you want to do with it. Okay, do with that what you want to do with it. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, honestly, I did not get a lot of either, even though I kind of expected it because it's a curly wig. I also want to say this hair is extremely lightweight. Like, it looks like it's very full and fluffy, not full, very full and fluffy, but it's extremely lightweight, like extremely lightweight. And as far as like tangling and shedding, it was hardly any. Like, I don't think there was no tangling whatsoever and minimum shedding, and it's dyed and it's curly hair, so I was shocked at that. So chef's kiss to that, honey. Okay, and yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs. I do also want to comment on this lace. I just felt like it melted right in. Love that for me. I also feel like this wig will be really easy to wear glueless. So now that is all the details and specs. If you're interested in my pros and cons, well, the full 360, then please continue to watch. y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons because you guys know I like to end on a high note. And honestly, y'all, with this unit, I don't have any cons. I'm just gonna keep it a whole buck with you. I don't have any cons, so moving on. As far as the pros, I love the color, I love the texture, I love that it's lightweight, I love that it's a closure. I love all the things about this wig. I love the lace. So those are all my pros with this unit because I feel like it is beginner friendly. You can get it with pre-cut lace if you're not comfortable cutting lace. Like, I just feel like it's all the things. Okay, so yeah. Obviously, I would recommend this wig, y'all. You heard the pros. So, moving on. All right, y'all. So, let me give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So, this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, sound off down below in the comments. Let me know what you think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. Once again, shout out to You Love Me Hair for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly, truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Hell to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter X. All right, y'all. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.